Oh, hey Tom, did you see the Bridgeport Sound Tigers actually posted like an update today?
Oh, no,
Check
it
this out.
out.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Twitter.com, where dreams are made. Let's see. Ooh, reboot. Very interesting. I do like the Sound Tigers name, though, so I kind of hope they keep that. Okay, dial up. Got it. Okay. All right, well, there was like nothing in that, so at least we know that they're rebranding. Very excited for the possibility of the Coliseum next year.
Oh, you didn't see? Oh, you sweet summer child. The logo said B.
What?
It said it was a hockey stick and a B, and it said the Bridgeport Islanders.
Oh my god!